Okay guys, so Pleasant Grove Remodel, want to give you a little update on this one. As you can see, we've got our kitchen completely built now. All the cabinets are painted out. Alpha Stone just finished up probably 15 minutes ago with the install of these beautiful quartz countertops that have this gorgeous blue veining in it. Maybe Ethan can pick that up on the camera. We don't have all of our ceiling lights cut in yet, so it's a little bit dark, but it's a beautiful blue veining that's in these countertops. This color was selected by the homeowner, so we've got this pretty blue on the walls, and then the tile backsplash will also have some of that same blue look to it. So we're getting that multiple repeats of blue in the house. This project's coming along fantastic. I'm excited to show you the end result, so stay tuned. We'll have this thing wrapped up in the next week or so. Talk to you soon.